I'm going to quickly breeze through the different functions you're going to learn how to do and what they and the purpose of them. So detection is the first thing you're going to learn how to do, which is to separate the object from the background. And in your career, I'm sure you're going to work with microscopic images from confocal microscopes, light field, dark field microscopes. The same algorithms you're going to learn in this class, you can apply to that. And you'll probably know more than you'll do in your career because people usually just use static images. You're going to be analyzing video. Someone mentioned they used OpenCV for art projects. So the stuff you can learn here, you can also do for other disciplines, including art. So this is the still frame from the video. And these are bounding boxes, these blue and green boxes. And what it's doing is it's detecting the object and it's separating it from the background. And then it's measuring how big it is. And it's rejecting the tiny little guys, those are the blue objects, and it's accepting the ones that are significantly large in the green objects. Again, I'm going to breeze through this because you're going to know this in a lot more detail to come in the next few weeks.